This is a Nest smoke detector, and here is a demonstration of a lady that keeps me safe at night. A test coming up.
Emergency. There's smoke.
And if you wave, you can cancel the signal. If you wish to test the device, you press for
Ready.
test.
Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press or wave to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Finishing up. Just a moment. The test is finished. Everything's okay.
The little green light shows that the mains is connected, and it has 10-year lithium life battery backup, which can be changed in the rear of the detector. Well recommended for anybody that lives on their own, and I shall shortly be replacing it for this old one that's stuck to the ceiling with a PP3 battery at the top of the stairs. This is GDPR reporting for the Pie and Radio Telephone Museum of Great Britain.